Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best rustic bed frame is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of furniture for those looking to infuse their bedroom with warmth, character, and a touch of natural charm, transforming a simple sleeping space into a cozy sanctuary that evokes the feeling of a tranquil countryside retreat or a charming cabin escape, making it an ideal choice for anyone desiring a bedroom that feels both inviting and uniquely personal. Number 5. Z-hom Easy Assembly Sturdy Metal Platform Bed. Join satisfied customers who rave about our straightforward assembly. With clear instructions and included tools, you can set it up in under an hour, hassle-free. Experience exceptional stability thanks to its high-strength metal build. This frame offers reliable support for your mattress, day after day. Enjoy a quieter night's rest. Its stable design and treated joints minimize noise, ensuring uninterrupted sleep even when you move. Utilize the generous underbed clearance for storage. Keep your room tidy and maximize your floor space with this functional design. Get the best of both worlds, a sleek, modern design that elevates your decor and practical storage, all in one. It's the perfect bedroom upgrade. Save money and hassle. This sturdy frame provides all the support you need without requiring a box spring. What we like. This bed frame is praised for its incredibly easy assembly, often completed in under an hour. It's engineered for quiet nights, minimizing squeaks and creaks for uninterrupted sleep. If you're looking for a practical and functional upgrade that's simple to put together and helps keep your room tidy, this is a great choice. What people say. The bed frame is made of solid wood, which gives it a sturdy and durable feel. The rustic design with its distressed finish adds a charming and unique touch to the bedroom. Assembly was straightforward, and all the necessary hardware was included. Number 4. BME Vivian 14-inch Deluxe Bed Frame. Introducing a bed frame that blends rustic charm with Scandinavian simplicity. Its design brings a unique aesthetic to your bedroom, crafted with care. Experience exceptional craftsmanship with sustainable acacia wood. This solid hardwood platform bed is finished in a beautiful rustic golden brown, making a lasting impression. Enjoy optimal mattress support with its durable wooden design. The integrated wood slat system provides complete foundation support, eliminating the need for a box spring. This foundation is designed to be an impressive centerpiece for your master suite. Its unique wood grain finish adds a touch of natural beauty to your space. Setting up your new bed is a breeze. All parts, tools, and instructions are conveniently packed, allowing for a simple setup in less than an hour with a friend. We are here to help. Our dedicated customer service team is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. Crafted from sustainable acacia wood with a beautiful rustic golden brown finish, this frame offers exceptional craftsmanship. It provides solid support for your mattress, eliminating the need for a box spring. If you appreciate natural wood aesthetics and a sturdy build, this bed frame will be an impressive centerpiece for your master suite. What people say. The bed frame is made of solid wood, which gives it a sturdy and durable feel. The rustic design is very appealing and adds a warm, cozy atmosphere to the bedroom. Assembly was straightforward, and all the necessary hardware was included. Number 3. BME Vivian 14-inch Deluxe Bed Frame. Experience the elegance of sustainable acacia wood. This bed frame is meticulously sanded to achieve a beautiful rustic white finish that truly makes a statement. Enjoy optimal mattress support with its durable construction and integrated headboard. The unique wood grain finish adds an impressive touch to your master suite. Our robust wood slat system provides complete mattress support, eliminating the need for a box spring. It's designed to hold up to 800 pounds. Everything you need is conveniently packed in one box. With clear instructions and a friend's help, setup takes less than an hour. We're here to help. Our dedicated customer service team is available around the clock to answer any questions or assist with any issues you may have. What we like. This bed frame boasts sustainable acacia wood construction with an elegant white finish, offering a refined rustic look. It provides optimal mattress support and eliminates the need for a box spring, with a robust 800-pound capacity. If you desire a stylish yet sturdy foundation with a clean, sophisticated aesthetic, this option is perfect for your main suite. What people say. The rustic design is beautiful and looks great in my bedroom. The bed frame is very sturdy and well made, with no squeaking or wobbling. Assembly was straightforward and took about an hour with 2 people. Number 2. BME Vivian 14-inch Deluxe Bed Frame. Experience the beauty of sustainable acacia wood. This bed frame is carefully sanded to achieve a stunning rustic golden brown finish that truly makes a statement. Enjoy optimal mattress support with its durable design and integrated headboard. The unique wood grain finish adds an impressive touch, making it a beautiful centerpiece for any bedroom. Our robust wood slat system provides complete mattress support, eliminating the need for a box spring. It's built to last, with a high weight capacity for peace of mind. Setting up your new bed frame is a breeze. Everything you need is conveniently packed in one box, and assembly can be completed in under an hour with a friend. We stand behind our product with a 1-year limited warranty and 24/7 customer support. You can rest assured knowing our dedicated team is here to help with any issues. What we like. Featuring sustainable acacia wood construction in a rustic golden brown tone, this queen-size bed frame is both durable and beautiful. It offers complete mattress support with its wood slat system, negating the need for a box spring. If you're looking for a queen-size bed with natural wood charm and reliable support, this is an excellent choice for your master suite. What people say. The bed frame is made of solid wood, which gives it a sturdy and durable feel. The rustic design of the bed frame adds a warm and inviting touch to the bedroom. Assembly was straightforward, and all necessary hardware was included. Number 1. GarveeHome Industrial King Bed Frame. Experience superior durability and stability with our king-size bed frame. Crafted with robust steel and multiple support legs, it's built to last and can hold up to 700 pounds. Enjoy a peaceful and stable sleep. This platform bed is designed for convenience, offering a non-shaky, non-slip, and noise-free experience without the need for a box spring. Reclaim your bedroom. With ample underbed storage space, this frame is perfect for keeping your room tidy and organized, making the most of your living area. Add a touch of timeless style to your bedroom. The blend of vintage wood and black metal creates a rustic industrial look that complements any decor. Set up your new bed frame in no time. With clear instructions and all parts included, assembly is a breeze, even for beginners. Plus, we offer 24-hour customer service for any assistance. What we like. This king-size bed frame combines an industrial retro aesthetic with a vintage MDF board and black metal frame. It offers a generous 13.8 inches of underbed storage space, perfect for maximizing bedroom organization. If you need a sturdy, stylish king bed with significant storage potential and a unique look, this frame is an ideal solution. What people say. The bed frame is made of solid wood and has a rustic finish that looks great in any bedroom. Assembly was straightforward and took about an hour with 2 people. The bed frame is very sturdy and does not squeak, even with movement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.